this time I know I'm a one. Come at the ramping style. You think I drove, I'm in all off.
I was picking up your clothes in the closet. I was about to throw your jeans in the washer.
Girl, bumping like Angelina, lips like Angelina, like Selena, ass shaped like Selena. I'm like, got up, thank the Lord for the day. Woke up back, girl, I don't even know her name. Woke up back, girl, I don't even know her name. Got up, thank the Lord for the day. Woke up back, girl, I don't even know her name. Woke up back, girl, I don't even know her name. She said, hola, como esta? She said, konnichiwa. She said, pardon my French. I said, bonjour, madame. Then she said, sabase. And I said, nabule. No matter where I go, you know I love them. African American, for sure. I told her, baby, come and ride the rodeo. Every time I come around, man, I go for broke. She give me desktop till I hope.
It goes straight to your head, control your mind with it. Yeah. No, you want some, you want some. You know I'm the only one that gets you higher, babe. You ain't gotta worry, cause you know I got it, babe. You be stuck on it, cause my love's so good, so yeah. Keep coming back to get some more. Got you in your feelings, all emotional.
Ooh, that's when I miss your touch. The snow is falling and it won't let up. Okay, I'm on my way, hey, cause it'll be nothing, no, nothing without you. Look, I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to ask you if you're okay. My friends always feel the need to tell me things. Seems like they're just happier than us these days. Yeah. These days, I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be when you need me. It feels like the only way. Said she wanna take me away. Said she wanna show me the way. Baby, don't play no game. But to please me, take time, slow wine, slow wine. Take time, slow wine. Every girl want to walk off for me. They want you wine, they want you broke off for me. How you feel? Knowing I see the world when I look in your eyes. Your kisses are Duracell that keep me energized. Tired of going back and forth, baby, I'm hypnotized. You got a girl, I'm in love on the low though. I'm looking at you and I swear it's been a long road. A greater ass, a better mind, what a combo. You know you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to, like controller.
So I'm back with another hair review for you guys on this wig that I'm wearing, which is a unit that I received from LAVY Hair. This is their Italian curly lace front wig, and I got this hair in a 130 density, and I believe the length that I got it in was a 20-inch if I'm not mistaken. But as usual, I will have all the details down below listed in the description bar for you guys. What I love most about this unit is that the curl pattern on this hair is not too tight, but it's like not too loose either, like it's just right. So it's looking so good. To me, this hair looks very natural, and I love this about this unit. Also, like I said, the unit is a 130 density, and it's not too full, but it's not too thin, you know? So it's like just in between, it's just right. I had previous wigs where the density of the unit was like 130, and it's like extremely thin, like there's barely any hair on the unit. But this one is a 130 density, and I feel like it's very full. Even the ends, I'm gonna like stand up a little so you guys can see like the ends of the hair are not scanty or nothing like that. So initially, as I was styling the hair, as you guys saw, I did kind of get like a few strands that was coming out as I was like running my fingers through the hair. So this hair does shed a little bit, but so far since I installed it on my head, I really haven't got any more shedding like that. Like I'll honestly get like a one strand, as right now like I got one strand. So far I have not got any tangling whatsoever with this hair. It does shed a little bit, no tangling. The hair is like perfect. It's very soft. It feels great, honestly. Like I can run my fingers through this hair with no problem. So that's a that's a plus with curly hair. Once you can run your fingers through it with no problem, you know you got some good hair. You know what, I haven't done this in any other hair video that I did on any kind of curly hair. A lot of people don't do this either, but because I want to know like how good this hair is, I'm gonna go do what I have to do and come back within a couple hours to see like if the hair gets dry, because you guys know curly hair is like the hardest type of hair to maintain. So I want to know if it gets dry, frizzy, all of that. Like I want to know. I'm gonna go and come back and show you guys how the hair has held up within a couple hours of me wearing it. So I will be right back. I'm gonna come back and give you guys some update on the hair a couple hours later to see how dry the hair gets or how frizzy it would get. So this is the hair after installing it about 2 hours ago. And this is pretty much what it looks like. It's not too dry, but some of the curls in the front kind of did get a bit dry. So like I would have to go back in and add some oil or something to it. So, or wet it so it doesn't look as dry. But yeah, this is pretty much what the hair looks like. Honestly, it's not bad because I've had curly hair before. Like within half an hour after you wet it, it's like a mat. So this hair is not that bad at all. This looks, I feel like it just looks way more natural. And so far since I did the first like run my fingers through it, I haven't really got any shedding since then. So that's a good thing because it was kind of shedding in the beginning. But like now when I run my fingers through it, I'll just get probably like a one strand. And honestly with curly hair, like it's hard to find curly hair that's not gonna shed whatsoever because you have to like maintain the curls and what's not. So while you're constantly running your fingers through it, like you're messing with the curls, so obviously the hair is gonna shed. So you're obviously gonna expect a couple of shedding from the hair. I don't think I've had any curly hair like that does not shed whatsoever. Like it's honestly, you guys, I'm really loving the curls. Remember I told you guys I'm like a more straight hair type of girl? I'm getting back into like the curly hair is definitely growing back on me. So I really love how this look turned out. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back of the hair, what it looks like right now. It looks like after a couple hours of wearing it. How does it look? Does it look dry? I honestly cannot see the back of my head, but that's basically how the hair looks. Pretty much wraps up this video. I really just wanted to come back and give you guys an update on whether the hair gets really dry and big and puffy. So, oh, is there hair in my mouth? So this pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Comment down below how you feeling this hair. You guys feeling this hair or not? Like, what do you guys think? But I will catch you guys in my next one. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already so you will not miss any of my uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.